Hi. Today we are going to do the Sprite game. In the Sprite game, we are doing the Sprite. So here, this is the place where we will do. So I will make it bigger than I can see it. So now we will go to the world set background to the this underwater. Okay, now let me take a sprite. Where would I can get here? Not a rabbit. Rabbit will not be used up here. Let me go to the more and take animals. In animals, I will take one green fish. Here you will click again, then you will get the green fish now. But the location should be here. The size also should be this sprite. This sprite should have. Set the size to the 50 knot. I will change it to 150. So let me change this sprite. So big. So now let me give this behavior. Here one behavior should be in with this. So let me give it here now. Here I will make it this fish should be here. Now one more like this new sprite. We will take one new making new sprite. Not a rabbit, we will give it a pink fish. So let me write here and I will take the pink fish. So let me take one pink fish now. Now the location should be near to this only. So now let me give it the size also. Where we have to go action. Correct. So here I came to the action. Not to the 10, I will make it 150. 50. Change the size. So 150 will be correct to this fish. Let me make it. Oh, this much bigger. I think so. Let me. I took some wrong set. Wait. Let me copy this, please. So let me take no not to this. I will make it a pink fish now. Okay. Now let me give it a behavior. Sprite behavior to this fish should be moving left and right. So come to the behavior, moving left and right, swimming left and right. Now let me make a new sprite again to the crab, which I want now, but not this place. The same size should be. Let me change the side of this place. I will make it here. Now let me no need the size is okay. No, it is same in its size only. So now let me give one more sprite like that only. Not rabbit to this place. I will make it a grasses. So not too big. It should be here. So here in this place, let me give it set the size here to the green fish, not to 50. Let me make it 30 that it can be visible to me. That you all can see here. This place here it is. So let me now make it do the one thing that I will repeat it. I will make it repeat. Here I will go to the loops. Here I will take it repeat 10 times to this thing only. Okay. So make a new sprite should be wait. Let me make it here. Let me keep this here and let me make this place. So now it will be making itself only. So now let me do what I will take means I will take one events like when the green fish touch to this grass, then it should be removed. I will go to the functions where I will get it removed. This green fish which should be removed. Green fish. Let me take a sprite, please. Remove it. I got the option here. So wait, let me erase this place and remove the green fish. Okay. Now what should this all should do? Let me see and run. What is happening? Why this all are not moving? So let me wait it. Only this behavior. The crab should also no move now. Let me take out. Okay, make it so many sprites like this. So let me take one action. Set the this not set size should not be this. To make it a behavior. Here I will make one behavior. So what this should be a crab should be moving also. Let me go to the behavior. Yeah, moving, wandering. Let me make it here now. Once again, this Y sheet, this is also not moving. Look, remote, but so many should be. So what we have to do? Let me copy this all CV. So let it be coming here. So it should be more. But wait, I'll take it out. All this up. And what happened? This should also be removed. This one green grass. So once again, let me keep this. Make a new sprite. So it should be being more sprites. So not this much big. Should not be. Then size should be this much. So making new sprites, I will do it. But this one should be here, one should be. Let me make it this all in this space. Then making new sprites also will be. Not happening. Sprites are not making. Make a new sprite should also come. Let me make more and more. See, I erased it. So here I had made so many sprites. So let me make here this set. This how much time? 3 time. So here I had so many. Let me make it not to this one. Give it to this place. Then to where it is at sprite new one. So here I will make this all one more. How much I have to make? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and 4 times. Here it's done. So let me make it in the place. Let me make it one more time here, and one more time, but not in the same place. So let me make it once again. One more sprite I got. This sprite, one new one sprite. Let me make it here. I'm keeping it a new sprite which I had did here. Let me make it here. So many sprites are ready to happen, but it is on same place. Let me make it some another place. It should be. Let me do it this CV. So it is game one new sprite again. Then I will make it where sprite is there. So let me make here. So it is done, but not in same place. Okay, this all are same place. This place which I will make it this change of this. Let me make it this space. Once again, I'm using same one. Okay, so here I'm making so many places where I want to make it. Okay, this should be making like this one glasses. So your empty sides are happening here and there. Let me make. You will also create like me. The sides which I'm doing here, all you are seeing in it. So here I had completely did. Now, but wait, here is also there. Come down, come down. Here I'm making it a space, and let me take this one. Okay, so here I will get it. I will just try it again. Okay, I will try it. So not this. Okay, when this should also be so when this pinkish touch this grass this crab, then what should happen? Vanish eat someone. No, don't vanish. We will make it here. So let me make one more character. So wait, let me go to this place. Let me take one new sprite here, CV. I will take it, copy, and this place. So what would I do? Instead of here, I will make it not two crabs. I will take one more to this. I will search. I will take one this. Okay. Here I will get this, not this. So making new sprite and this blue one, but not in this place. So it should be over here, same sides. All are in same size. This blue fish will touch to the grass. Then the what should happen? It should not be removed. It should not be removed. It should be dancing. Okay, it should be dancing. Let me take one sprite here. It should be this blue fish should be dancing. Let me go to the behavior. I will give it dancing. But no, I will give it create a behavior. I will do it here instead of this dance. 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 So here I got the spelling and it should be dancing. D A. One second, let me make it bigger. DANCE. Dancing. Dancing. So now it is created. Now here I will go to close it and let me do it here. Here I will get the dancing behavior. Dance behavior. Now what should be? This should also be dancing. The crab should be also dancing, no? No need. It should be wandering, but this all. This is what I'm telling. This have to be making it paused. Okay. That I will get it. Do it some. Should also be dancing. This fish told me. Not to this. The this green fish should be dancing. This green one. So now it is let me see running. What are this at? My film died. So here let me see. What about it? That's why the green. This all are not dancing it. So I think so. I didn't give it behavior. Let me give it behavior here. To this should be dancing. Sprite should be dancing behavior. This one should be dancing. Not this rabbit should be dancing. This green fish should be dancing. Okay. Okay. Let me take it fast. Behavior or dance behavior. It will be dancing now. Come, let us start it.